Here we're replacing the axle, a bent axle on an enclosed trailer. Customer hit a curb or something. I'm going to show you how to replace a new axle, what all's involved. We're replacing all axle and springs, so we're just going to take it off right here at the spring bolts. The spring bolts have grooves right there. You hammer them in so that the bolt shouldn't spin. If the bolt does spin, usually that's a 13/16. The backside's usually a 7/8. This one was a smaller size nut though. It used a 5/8 nut. You just pop these 4 bolts here out and swap the axle out. We'll do that, then I'll show you about tightening it back down. Got the new axle on here. And getting everything to line up, you may have to loosen some of the springs, get the springs completely straight. Now, the only thing to remember on when you're putting it on here, the front bolt you can just tighten up. The back bolt, where these shackles are, you want to make sure you don't over tighten. If you over tighten, it'll won't flex and it'll break the hanger out of the frame. So you want to hammer this in all the way to where it's flush, tighten this down, and then tighten it back off to where, tighten it off about a turn, just to where you can see a fingernail sized gap in the hole, and that'll give it enough play that it'll work and swivel like it's supposed to. And that's all there is to it.